Okay, y'all, let's not make this more difficult than we need to make it. So here's a tablespoon, right? Tablespoon. A quart size jar. Daily minerals. I just happen to have mine in a glass canister because I drink this all the time. All you have to do is take 3 tablespoons, right? 3 tablespoons, that's 1, 2, 3, right? You buy this from our store, A New Positive, or eclecticsacredliving.com/shop. I have my electric kettle, right? I keep an electric kettle because I drink a lot of tea. And so I'm just simply going to, this is my daily minerals. I keep this in my kitchen on my counter. This is my quart size jar. I'm just waiting for my kettle to boil, and then I'm going to pour the water to the top, and I'm just going to cover it and let it sit. Here's the cover. We're just going to cover it. We're going to put the water on. So we're just going to wait for this now to boil, which shouldn't take that long. And then we're going to cover it and let it sit. So I'm going to take this out the way so you can see, and this is where it lives, right here on my counter, every single night. And this is wellness, y'all. Wellness is simple, as I always say. Wellness is simple, people complicate it. I know that all of you are able to do this. And then you take some lemon and you squeeze some lemon in your glass, and you're going to just strain this. What are you going to strain it with? Let me show you. One of these. You're just going to stick this on top of your cup and you're going to strain it. This is so simple, y'all. You can get this at the dollar store. This is not a hard process to make your wellness. This is like wellness in a jar. Daily minerals. We're going to wait for this to boil so you guys can see the whole process. So there's no excuses as to why you cannot take your wellness into your own hands. This is going to set a foundation of minerals. You may find that you get a boost of energy. You may sleep better at night. You may not be have anxiety like you used to. This is where we level set. Do this for 30 days and see where you are, right? But one of the things that you want to remember, if you've been eating trash, you're going to have to, right? You're going to have to figure out, and we have a colon cleanse for that, figure out if your colon is even absorbing this stuff. But we'll find out in 30 days to see if you don't feel any better, then you got to clean that colon. Because if you eat trash, the trash is on the side of your colon and it's not going to absorb these amazing herbs that I have in here that are mineral rich from nature. And because you are nature, I am sitting here. I care so much about you that I'm sitting here waiting for this water to boil so that you can see how easy it is to take wellness into your own hands. Okay? Once this, you can buy an electric kettle at Home Goods, at Walmart, at Amazon. Like, I have an Amazon store. Go to my link in the bio on Instagram and you will see electric kettles there, or cute kettles that you can put on your stove. So I eliminate all the excuses, right? All excuses are equal. It's just that you haven't decided that this, okay? You haven't decided that you want to take control of your wellness, because I'm showing you step by step how this works. And we're just waiting for this water. It's rumbling. You hear it? It's rumbling. So it's almost ready. Oh, it's hot. I can pour it in there. There we go. Look at this, y'all. Look at how easy this is. This is wellness. This is wellness. Wellness is simple. People complicate it. Bingo. I just showed you how to infuse, how to infuse herbs to take control of your wellness. Because wellness is simple, people complicated. And I'm your girl, Thérèse Prentice, Master Herbalist, Herbal Formulator, Sacred Redesign Strategist, Podcaster, Technologist, and Speaker. Thanks for listening, y'all, and bye for now.